Hello everyone. Today we are at one of the best tourist places in Dubai. It is Dubai Marina Harbor. We are going to experience a thrilling yacht tour. There are spectacular views while walking towards the yacht. Dubai Harbor Marina has approximately 700 berths that can accommodate yachts up to 160-meter length. It is a world-class maritime facility. We have arrived here. It's a 5-hour afternoon session yacht tour. This is one of the control tests. Most of the time, the captain controls the yacht from here. We began our journey. The weather is a little bit rough, but the captain offered a thrilling and comfortable trip. I should give a special thanks to the captain and the staff members for their hospitality. I will share his contact number in the comments section as he really deserves appreciation. Now the yacht is leaving the harbor and moving across the canal. There is one more control desk at the top. Getting beautiful and scenic views of Dubai Marina. The weather appears to be quite peaceful and serene at the moment. However, the meteorological department has predicted strong winds in the open sea, advising against leisure activities and trips. Taking this forecast into account, we have made a slight detour from our original route. But still, the tour will continue through the iconic locations of Dubai Marina. One of the tourists controls the yacht from the top deck under captain's supervision. He must have an amazing memory. The yacht is traveling quite fast. The actual speed is felt when look at the water from the back. Dubai Harbor is beginning to move away from us. The morning session yachts are coming back to the harbor. We opted for the afternoon section. This is the most thrilling experience in our trip. Nowadays, even cruise ships have started sailing from Dubai. The Costa Toscana has an 8-day cruise package from Dubai. It offers a comfortable holiday experience with all luxury services. The simple visa process and affordable expenses has made Dubai an attractive tourist destination. Now we have reached near the stunning palm Jumeirah Island. It was developed by Nakheel Properties. This remarkable island has become a true symbol of Dubai's ambition and modernity. Its unique palm tree shape is recognized globally. Now we have halted for a short break and taking photographs with crew members. Our adventure has begun again. The yacht is speeding up. True to the captain's word, the trip turned out to be both enjoyable and exhilarating. The Ain Dubai, also known as Dubai Eye. It is the world's tallest and largest observation wheel. The observation wheel is equipped with capsules. It can accommodate up to 40 people. It stands at more than 250 meters tall and offers breathtaking panoramic views over the city and its coastline. The Ain Dubai is part of Dubai's Bluewaters Island development project. Bluewaters Island is home to a variety of luxury hotels, beach clubs, and restaurants. The island's striking modern architecture has made it one of the most popular leisure and entertainment destinations in Dubai. The above-seen walkway bridge links Bluewater Island and the Jumeirah Beach residents. Visitors can easily travel between two tourist destinations. The iconic Dubai Marina Address Hotel stands proudly on the left. Now we have entered to the spectacular JBR Canal. It is one of the popular tourists and entertainment destinations in the city. JBR is a highly desirable location for real estate investment and living in Dubai. The combination of economic growth, lifestyle choices, security, and stability makes Dubai an attractive investment and lifestyle hub. There are many floating restaurants that operate here. It offers a memorable dinner experience to the visitors. Apart from floating restaurants, many world-class restaurants and hotels are situated in both banks of the canal. The amazing factor is that the JBR Canal is artificial. The Dubai Water Canal project was initiated by the government of Dubai to enhance the city's infrastructure, tourism, and waterfront lifestyle. The canal passes through various key locations, including JBR, and adds a scenic waterfront feature to the area. It has transformed the surrounding landscape, creating opportunities for waterfront dining, leisure activities, and enhanced connectivity between different parts of the city. The artificial canal in JBR is part of Dubai's ambitious urban development plans aimed at enhancing the city's appeal as a global tourism and lifestyle destination. It contributes to the overall aesthetic and recreational value of the JBR area, making it even more attractive to residents and visitors alike. The MR Properties, one of the major developers behind the development of Jumeirah Beach Residence. It is one of the largest single-phase residential developments in the world. It has significantly contributed to Dubai's skyline and real estate landscape. The developer's creative vision and natural beauty of waterfront enhance tourism and quality of life for residents. The 5-hour memorable yacht tour is almost over, and we have arrived back to the harbor. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you are interested in our video.